what they see. That's the price that we all pay. A value destiny comes to nothing. I can't tell you where we're going. I guess there's just no way of knowing. I used to think that the day would never come. See, they light in the shade of the morning sun. My morning sun is a drug that brings me near to a childhood lost, replaced by fear. I used to think that the day would never come, that my life would depend on the morning sun. I feel so extraordinary. Something's got a hold on me. I get this feeling I'm in motion, a sudden sense of liberty. The chances are we've gone too far. You took my time and you took my money. Now I fear you've left me standing in a